Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore, backup or reset your course. This is my course, and then we need to go to more and course reuse. Here we have some options: backup. So we can back up the course. There are some steps for backing up the course, but we can easily jump to final stop. And then the backup file was successfully created. Continue, and you can see backup, restore, download. But let's see reset. So course start date, course end date, we can enable them or delete events, notes, comments, data, blog association, competency ratings, roles. We can enroll users, teacher, students, manager, show more, delete all overrides in course, delete all local role assignments, gradebook, delete all items and categories, all grades. We can delete all groups, we can remove all group members, delete all groupings, remove all groups from groupings, remove all book tags, feedback also, reset feedback responses. I can reset it. Forum is about forums, delete all posts, all ratings, remove all forum tags. I have put a word card so I can delete all user attempts. I have a simple certificate. I can delete issued certificate, checklist. I have checklist progress in my course. I can reset it, and then after that we just click on reset course. That's all. Thank you so much.